Hello, this is Low King April 6 and I'm showing you the CCKW Deuce and half 6x6 cargo truck from Brickmania. It's pretty cool. It comes with the box over here. Same stuff. I got the 122nd one by Deuce, whoever. I can't pronounce his last name. Can't really tell. It's pretty cool. Often stiff. It's pretty cool. 122nd, April 3rd, 2013. Batch number is 3rd. Model number is 272. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It has windshield wipers. Cool. It's pretty cool. It has shovel. Has extra wheel, has huge cargo room, and the cool part is if you twist these off, just like this. This pops right off. Just like a tent. I like having it when it's like this, but it's supposed to be like this so you can't see the troops, but it looks more realistic with that. It's pretty cool. It has a back window, as you can see. It looks pretty real. I've been in one of these for real. I'm in a military club. My great-grandpa founded it, so it's pretty cool. I like this design. There's not much to say about it. It could hold a lot of crates. If you guys don't know what this is, it's one of the crates from Brickmania. I suggest getting these. They're pretty cool. They come in white, brown, or tan. One fits in just like this. It's pretty cool. A whole bunch of American troops can fit into it. Like that. I like it. 2 drivers. But the only thing about the drivers, I'm using the sailor just because it has no guns or anything. Take off the roof. You have to put the arms up in the air because it can't fit without hands up in the air. So if you're doing a model or whatever, you're gonna see their hands. Whatever minifig you're using, you're gonna see their hands right there because you can't do anything about it. It's what it was designed, and I guess you can fix it by extending this, I think. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it, and I'll have good news. I might go to BrickCon 2014 next year. So hopefully you guys see me there. If you do, check me out. Just keep on giving me views and stuff, and subscribe to me. And that's all I have to say. So it's Low King April 6. See ya.